Yeah, so we've been down to Myers and we bought these. So that it charges £14 plus VAT. That's only £9.99. Them is charges 20 quid. You get them for about 12 quid. 24 quid is charged for them. £16.80 is charges for them. Down at good old Myers. And then they wonder why people don't want to go in and use them. You know why they don't want to go in and use them? Because they might as well put a balaclava on, you know what I mean? Because it's daylight robbery. That's only £9.99, they're only about 12 quid, that's 24 quid, that's £16.80. Where did they get prices from? Why should they earn double to everybody else? Do you know what I mean?
Pull them straight out of the ass.
Yeah, they just pull them out. Do they pull them out? They walk in and pull them out. Myers, you really need to sort your prices out. That is daylight robbery. Scandalous. We will never be buying them again, will we?